Hello, I am Maria Blanco and this video is a short intro to the lecture Lacan, Psychoanalysis and Tango. This class presents the second layer of the research I conducted for Tangonetics. It is grounded on Lacanian psychoanalysis theoretical framework and it also covers semiotics, philosophy and art history to provide an integral analysis of tango knowledge. By elucidating certain features of the tango discourse, we can achieve a better understanding of how it operates. I explain how tango needs to borrow from other fields, but also how it can offer a lot. I believe tango is a flexible and multiform knowledge that can be used as a tool to improve emotional, mental, and physical well-being. It is also a powerful search engine that can lead to hybrid zones of knowledge that can help blur the frontiers between theory and practice and body and mind. In the next video, I cover the thematic and historical analysis classes. Thank you.